I don't know if you can feel it, but just as of lately, doesn't it feel as though everything is just fake and doesn't hit the same way like it used to? Like even when you turn on the TV and you watch the news or you listen to politics, literally everything now is fake. It's a theatre which is used to what? It's used to distract you, to divert your attention. See, they don't want you knowing, that we all come from the same place. They want you distracted through race, religion, left, right, up, down. Listen, it's all bullshit. It's all a tool in order, propaganda, to divert your attention away from your consciousness, from your divine right, from your power, with what you have internally, which exists within. So I invite you to turn off the media, divert your attention and go inwards. Because once you do this, that is when you start to see everything also more clearly. We don't, I know for a fact that there's most people out there are tired, they're sick of working a 9 to 5, they're sick of going to work and knowing that the money that they get paid is just constantly getting inflated through inflation. The governments are supposed to be there to help serve us, not take from us. And a lot of the people now are starting to wake up to the fact that enough is enough, But the only way in which this gets resolved and fixed is through everybody becoming aware, not through violence, not through picking a side, not through going left, not through going right. It's all about unity, awareness and discernment. They are your free tools in order to use against the system, because once you become aware and once you become conscious of what is actually going on, and then you realize that your neighbor is not your enemy, that the skin color is not your enemy, or the religion is not your enemy, and we are all one from the same place, that is when the system starts to collapse, because they don't want everybody vibrating on a high frequency. Because the minute that everybody starts to vibrate and ascend on a higher frequency, that is when their systems collapse. They can no longer operate, because the currency in which they use in their systems is fear. That's why they pump out so much of it in the media, and they've been ramping it up. Every single attack that happens, they blame it on another religion, or they'll blame it on another race, or they'll blame it on a system, when really it's the people at the top that are organising these attacks. But I just invite you not to give it your time, your energy or your attention, because once you do that, you're feeding into the machine, you're feeding into the beast, you're feeding into a system that doesn't give a shit about you, your family or your future. The only way in which me personally, in which I know, is through unity, awareness and discernment. So come together. Don't hate your neighbour. Don't hate that other religion. Don't hate on each other, because that is what they want. They want you angry, divided, which makes us then what? Easily conquerable and controlled, because there's 8 billion people in this world, guys. Even you would just imagine if a third of the population was unified, their system is finished and done. Because we shouldn't be living under a system where everybody is struggling. We've got 1% of the world that owns 99% of the world's wealth. Surely when God created this this earth, or reality, or whatever we would like to call it. You know, everything was already put here for us to thrive. You know, imagine thinking that you should have to pay for a piece of land that God created for nothing. You know, what human got given the right to say you have to pay that amount of money for that land? Why can we not just go onto that land cooperatively and build on it? Just as an example, think about it. Everything's used under the matrix system for control, because it's not even about money for them, it's about control. And they're controlled because they are what? Fearful, because they are scared, because they are cowards. So yeah, just a few things. Just wanted to get this video out, and just to let people know that through unity awareness and using your discernment, I do a lot of videos on how you can raise your awareness, discernment, and your consciousness through discipline. I talk about it, so go and check out some of them other shorts. But like I say, thanks to everyone who does like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Just wanted to get out today and do like a quick video. And like I say, put down in the comments what you think, what's going on in the world now, or just comment, we are unified. Yeah, just to put out the unity and let everyone know that we are together in this fight. I hope everyone has a fantastic day. From me, Danny Detours, Padster and Willow, peace.